Beautiful people, let us continue with another example in an equation of a line. And please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can grow together and understand mathematics together and other subjects as well. Welcome to S&M Academy. Now, let us proceed. This question here, we have a different example. The question means, determine the equation of a line with a gradient. So in this case, the gradient is given. So determine the equation of a line with a gradient 3, or the gradient of 3, passing through the point, these points. Already, these ones are given up. You are already told, things have been simplified. We are told, determine the equation of a line with a gradient 3. So in this case, when we are solving, we are not going to go back to getting the gradient, but we are just going directly to getting the solution because things have been made simpler. Thank you. Now, in this case, solution. The solution of things, we already have the gradient. Which is equal to 3. Then we have a point on the line, point Q, where we have x, y, a point on the line, P, which is x, y. So, if we have this point, what we are going to do, we are going to directly work as if we are getting the formula, the method for getting the gradient, but with the fact that we have the gradient, things becomes more beautiful. Thank you. So, in this case, we are going to have change in y, or change in x, which will give us m, or gradient, where we are going to have, what is change in y? We're going to have y minus 5, all over x minus 1, x minus 1. Y, remember we agreed this is change in y or change in x. So y minus 5, then we have x minus 1, which is going to give us 3. Beautiful, simple. Now, from here, we agreed that every whole number is always under a denominator which is 1. But because it doesn't make a big difference or an impact on that, sometimes we ignore and write it as a whole number. See you. Now in this case, we have to close multiply. This one multiplies this part and this one multiplied by 3. So we're going to have 1. Y minus 5 equals to 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1. Then from there, we open up the bracket. Thank you. So we're going to have 1 times 1, which is y, minus 1 multiplied by minus 5 is going to be minus 5, which is 3 multiplied by x, 3. This one is going to be 3x. 3 multiplied by minus 1 is going to be minus 3. Then from there, we agreed that the equation, the linear equation should be written in form of y equals to mx plus c. Hope you can remember. We agreed that the linear equation is given by y equals to mx plus c, where we agreed m represents the gradient, c represents the y-intercept. And of course, we are going to learn how to get y and x-intercept. Alright? That's all. So in this case, we have to put it in this form. So our equation, y minus 5 equals to 3x minus 3. Put it in this form, it means this 5 goes to the other side. So you're going to have y equals to 3x minus 3. Remember, we agreed that when a negative sign, a number with a negative or a negative number crosses the equal sign, it changes from negative to positive. It crosses and changes from negative to positive. So let us change it. So this one is going to be, instead of minus 5, it's going to be plus 5. Then we simplify. Y is going to be 3x. Minus 3 plus 5. I owe 3 and I have 5. When I use my 5 to pay a debt of 3, I remain with 2. So minus 3 plus 5, I'll pay a debt of 3 and I'll remain with 2. So in this case, we are going to have minus 3 plus 5 will be equals to plus 2. So that is the equation of the line. That is the equation of a line. And we have expressed it in the form of y equals to mx plus c. We have expressed it in form of y equals to mx plus c. Thank you very much. I hope you have understood. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can learn and grow in a mathematics way or in other subjects, so that at least things can be made simple, easier for you for free. Welcome to SNL Academy. Thank you.